This is the APIELE 10 amp 19 millimeter stainless steel latching push button switch. This came to me in a box with a bunch of other parts that I ordered. If you purchase it separately, I'm sure it would be packaged properly. Let's take a better look. So you get the switch itself and the wiring harness for it, which makes it a lot easier. Yeah, you can solder onto these terminals if you want, whatever's going to work for your particular application, but this is included, which is going to make it a lot easier because you really don't have to think about the wiring. This can handle 10 amps of current. This lights up. I believe this is a blue one, but it's also available in red, green, yellow, or white. You can get this in the stainless steel version, as you see here, or you can get it in a black aluminum alloy instead. So there's your connections there. Really doesn't tell you much, but notice it's keyed right there. And that means that this plugs in only one way. You can't do it the wrong way. It won't let you. It has to go like that. And now it clicks in and it's on there. And like I said, it's a latching push button switch, so you press it, you see how it stays depressed like that? So whatever you have connected is now turned on, and it's going to stay on until you turn it off. Okay, we're going to wire this up. I have a 12-volt battery over here. Incidentally, this switch is available in different versions. You can get the 3 to 6 volt version, the 12 to 24 volt version, or the 110 to 220 volt AC version of it. All handle 10 amps. So to demonstrate how the switch works, I have this LED headlight bulb that would go in a car. Now normally, of course, if you hook up power to it, it's going to light up in that, but we're going to go through the switch. So the wiring is as follows. The red and the black are simply for the light in the switch. That's it. Okay? So that means that if I connect that up, black to black, red to red, get the clip on there, the switch lights up. Okay? Doesn't matter if it's on or off, it stays lit all the time. If you want to switch that externally, you can, but otherwise it would stay lit like that. For switching, you're going to be using the blue leads on here, basically one in, one out. So for that, for example, we'll hook the black simply up to the black on that. The red is going to be switched through the blue wires. So we'll connect that, and right now we're not dealing with the light in it. We're going to do that in a minute, and there's a couple of ways you can do that. We'll hook that up, switch is off, so when I connect this, the light should not go on, correct. Again, we didn't hook the light up at this point, so it's not lit, but the switch still operates just fine, as you see there. Now, if you want to light the switch, well, we can do that too. What we need is another wire to go from the negative on the battery here. I got this yellow one here. So I don't have all the right colors here, but you can certainly see that if I connect up to ground on that side right there and send power from the original power, basically twisting them together, now the switch itself lights and stays lit, and you can turn the light on. Switch always stays lit. Or we can switch it through the switch so the light in it will not do that. And by doing that, we're going to take power off of that, put it here, and here would be the output of the switch, so we're going to basically hook those together and get a better clamp on that. There we go. So now when I turn it on, the switch is going to light and the light is going to light. And yes, we have that right there. And just in case you couldn't see that, we'll just pull one of the wires there. Now when you turn the switch on, the switch lights and goes out. Of course, whatever you're switching through this should be the appropriate voltage that the light in here can handle. And typically in a 12 volt application such as this, you got the 12 volts. That's what it takes, so you could switch the light in it. So when you turn it on, the switch lights up, and whatever device you have connected to it will light up as well, like that. So that all works quite well. Very easy to hook up, easy to understand wiring, just like that. Once again, the two blues are the switched leads, and the red and the black are for the power for the light. Mounts in a 19mm hole, so you have to drill that out. And then you have this nut that comes off like that, mounts up from behind, and tighten it down, and there's a panel switch just like that. Simple and easy. So once again, this was the APIELE 10 amp 19mm stainless steel latching push button switch. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on the manufacturer's website. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.